Precision, power, perfection. This is the birth of a giant, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
It begins with carbon fiber, a material stronger than steel, yet lighter than aluminum, the DNA of the modern Boeing fleet.
Every thread is tracked, every batch is verified. At Boeing, the manufacturing process is a symphony of data and chemistry. Under extreme heat and pressure, the molecules bond. What was once tape is now a single, seamless structure of immense strength. Inside the shell, the nervous system is installed. Miles of fiber optics and power lines that will bring the Dreamliner to life.
Keep it coming slow. Watch your clearance on the flap track. We are clear. Ready for the main pin.
In the nose, the brain of the 787 comes online. Thousands of systems are interconnected to ensure total situational awareness. The big join. 3 massive sections become one. This is where the Dreamliner takes its final shape. Every moving part is a masterpiece of precision. The 787's wings are designed to flex and react like a living wing in flight. From the nose to the tail, the 787 is now a complete, pressurized vessel. Next, it will receive its heart, the massive jet engines.
Watch the clearance on the right side.
Looks good, steady as she goes.
Mounting the engines is a delicate dance of weight and precision. 6 tons of power, secured by bolts engineered to never fail.
Checkpoint confirmed. All green on the exterior seal.
At Boeing, quality is not a stage, it is the standard. Every square inch is scanned to ensure structural perfection. Every Boeing 787 carries with it a legacy of safety and a promise of performance. The paperwork is the final seal of trust. The first breath of a giant. From raw carbon to a 200-ton marvel of flight, the Boeing 787 is ready. Built in the factory, designed for the world. Boeing, building the future of flight, one Dreamliner at a time.